Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my newbies. Thank you very much for subscribing. It means a lot to me. And for my oldies, thank you for sticking out with me, even though I haven't uploaded in a while. But anyway, I don't want to make this video a long one. This is just my monthly Birchbox reveal. So we're just gonna get straight into it. So this month, excuse me, Bay is texting me. I gotta pay. Anyway, that's another video completely. So this month, I know it's late, it's April, well, end of April, and I hope everyone had a great Easter. In my last video, I think I did, when I filmed this look, I wished everyone a happy Easter. But yeah, sorry it's really late. I know that other videos are out and you probably already know, but I just wanted to share what I got in my box, because I think some boxes are a little bit different depending on what it is that you put on your profile. Now with Birchboxes, what I love about them is that you can actually fit out your profile, you know, what kind of skin you've got, what color skin you are, you know, what you like, whether you're more into makeup, hair products, skincare, all that kind of stuff. So that's one of the things I love about Birchbox, and I subscribe for that particular reason, because obviously when things come out, they tailor make it and try and put things that is workable for you according to what you filled out on your form. So this month in our Birchbox, and it's a beautiful box again, it comes like this. I don't know if you can see it. It's just this sort of beautiful mark, and inside we have, ooh, this time we've got a mirror. Sorry, I'm blinding you. This time we've got a mirror, but it's not really usable. It's just yeah, it's not a usable mirror, let's just say that. And then you open it up, and then you have all your bits and pieces in it, which I'm actually going to get rid of, because I mean, that's not the part that we want to look at. So your product comes, and then you get all these beautiful goodie bits. Try to remove as much as possible for you so you can see it when I lift it up again. So inside are all my products. There is a benefit. So I'm just going to read what came in the box, because you do get a leaflet every month and it tells you what you have in your box. So this month I got a Estate Cosmetics, a brand called Estate, which I've never heard of before, and I'll show you, which is this. I don't know if you can see it, right? And basically this is a highlighter, and this recommended retail price is £10, but I got this in my kit, and this is the full size version of it as well. And inside the box, I'm just going to quickly open it up. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful pink, beautiful pink packaging, and inside is this lovely highlighter. It came in pink and in gold, and the gold one, let's just give it a quick swatch. It looks like it's going to be a little bit icy for me, but in comparison to the pink one, you know, I mean, don't forget, you can always use highlighters as eyeshadow as well. So that is what the highlighter looks like, and I'll probably simply wear that on my thing. How would it look on here? Yeah, it's a bit icy for me, for my complexion, but yeah, not bad. It's not chunky and it's not too glittery, so I'll definitely be making this work. The next thing I got in my Birchbox in April was the Benefit Pore Professional, and the recommended retail price is £28, as you know, and this is not a full version, okay, but I've never tried this, and I've heard so much about Pore Professional by Benefit. I've never bought it simply because for £28 I don't prime, so I'm not going to go and spend £28 buying something that I probably won't get the use out of. But I'm glad that I got this package. It's really small, actually. That's the size of it, my palm. It's not that big. So I'm happy to try this out and see what it's like. And it says for silky oil, it says this silky oil-free primer diffuses pores and fine lines, so, and gives you an airbrush finish. So I'm happy that I got that and I'm able to try it out. And the next thing I got was a mask, and it's by Diamond, or Vitamask Diamond Eye Pads. So this is what that looks like, if you can see. Very holographic packaging there, which is quite sweet. And this is to brighten and depuff. So I haven't used this yet. I haven't used any of these stuff yet. So hopefully, and your girlfriend says hopefully, I'll be able to try these out in a video for you and just tell you what it's like, if I like them, if it worked for me. Because like I said, when you join Birchbox, there are things that you can put about your skin type. Oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. I haven't had any lunch yet. I don't know if it's just air or... Anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, because you get to let them know what kind of skin you have. You know, obviously I've put oily skin, hence why this is in my package and not some other sort of primer that, you know, if you're dry skin, they probably would put into your Birchbox. So yeah, so this Diamond Eye, I'm going to try it out and see what it's like. I've never tried one of those eye mask thingies before. Anyway, the next thing I got in my Birchbox was Balance Me Eye Wonder Eye Cream, which is this. It's quite a big package. It's not too bad. And this says perk up your peakers with this wonderful multitasking eye cream. So yeah, this isn't a full size. The recommended retail price is 20 quid. So this is actually a 4-star review on Birchbox. I don't know what that means, but at the bottom of this paper they do have color coded, because on these they're color spots, and at the bottom they tell you what it is. So this isn't a full size, obviously. So yeah, we'll be trying out this eye cream because I do like eye creams. I do have dark circles, so I like to use creams on my eye because that's about the only bit that is dry, particularly my under eye here. When I wear concealers, it can get a little dry. So yes, we are loving the eye cream. And last but not least in my box for the month of April is the Beaver Berry Blossom Conditioner. Now this is obviously for your hair, and it's balance, soften and weightless. Oh, it looks really, really nice. Again, not a full size package. The recommended retail price is £19.40, and this is a Birchbox exclusive. So and the eye mask, sorry, was a full size. This, so they're not giving you half size in that. What does this smell like? Oh, I'm sorry, this smells incredible. Oops, it just popped a little bit out there. So I can't wait to use this in my hair. It smells incredible. Feels really soft too, but it smells beautiful. So those are the items that I got in my Birchbox for the month of April. I will leave in the comment box of this particular video, so if you want to come and check it out later, you know, things like the hair products, the eye mask, I'll probably be able to use that in a video. But if I don't, and I do use all these products and I don't make a video using them, I will leave my thoughts on it in the comment box at the bottom. So if you want to know what these products fared like on me, and did I like them, what my opinion was, then check in the comment box. Let's interact, leave your comments down below. I hope this video was okay. You know, it's just not fancy. I just wanted to share my month's Birchbox with you. Get the shoulders, get the clavicle out. Love a bit of clavicle. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you're a newbie. Join the family, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye. Bye.